This holiday season, let's challenge ourselves to follow healthy habits for 12 days to end the year off strong and make next year our best year yet. Sometimes we can be afraid to do what we want and what makes us happy due to other people's judgments. To be honest, we can do everything right and people will still judge us. Today, let's not let our fear of what others say keep us from doing something that we're excited about.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home.
I'm just gonna wear sweatpants today.
These little songs.
I feel like my room is so much more spacious now that I rearranged it.
I've got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much.
Afterwards, see you later. Hey guys, it's editing Rebecca here and I'm here to give you your daily journal prompt of the day. So today's video is all about self-confidence and really not caring about what other people say or if they find you cringy. Today's journal prompt is, what are the things that you would do if nobody judged you? For example, going to a restaurant alone and not caring about other people's judgments, or starting your own YouTube channel and not caring about the people in your school saying weird things about you. Starting a podcast or dressing a certain way that's outside of the status quo. So yeah, let me know these things down below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you've been enjoying the 12 days of healthy habits so far and my daily vlogs, and leave a comment down below. I read every single one of your comments. Okay, bye. Mwah. I'm back. I'm having some leftover lasagna from yesterday for lunch, as well as half of a bagel. By the way, if you guys ever come to Montreal, you have to try their Montreal bagels. They're just different. I'm gonna start editing after this and then work out, and I'm also gonna bake cookies today. Alright guys, so unfortunately, after I said I was gonna do all these things, you know, bake cookies, work out, I fell asleep for like 2 hours. So I didn't want this vlog to be boring. The next day I went to this Christmas market thingy and I just went out with my boyfriend. Yeah, I have a boyfriend now. So I'm gonna show you guys some footage from that and have some commentary. So the first place that we went to is this cute little place that sold a bunch of homemade and DIY stuff. And then afterwards we went to this mall and it had this cool fountain, but I suck at standing there and taking pictures and taking videos of myself, so I look very awkward. After that, there was this cool iridescent statue. Now, yeah, you see. Be like, hi, hi. And later we went to Uniqlo and they set this thing up where you just put all of your clothes in this box and it automatically detects which clothes are in there and you don't even need a person. It was really cool. Wow, it automatically knows what it is. And then at the mall there was this Christmas lights show, and that's all. Okay. Thank you for listening to my little Christmas adventures, and back to the video. Not gonna lie, I just fell asleep and took a little nap. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make a pre-dinner snack. So I've just been editing as usual. I ordered this poke bowl for dinner. I know I've literally had poke bowl like every day, 3 times the past week, but they're just so good. I've been getting 40% off of them because of this coupon that I have, and they keep on giving me back the coupon. Plus I got buy one get one free. I know they're trying to trick me with the psychology, but I keep on falling into the trap.
First of all, I miss you.
I'm gonna do this 15-minute stretch by Maddie Morrison.
Again, I get that it makes no sense. Oh, but I've been trying to forget that I remember you exist. I'm just exhausted, 'cause you said you needed me, and I took that way too seriously. So forgive me for saying I'm sorry. I don't need nobody except maybe you.
Floss.
Is it true love if I don't
Toothbrush.
love anyone else? Maybe it's time that I stop lying to myself. I'll make another playlist with words I'd say directly to your face if I was brave enough. But instead I will give it a title that matches yours, then listen with my headphones in and wonder what I'm crying